just gonna feed the birds. And he's gonna try his best not to throw food at me, because I'll probably be upset. Because they'll probably kill me. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. There's my feet. There's the birds. Feet, birds. They're in my shadow. I could probably pick that one up and throw it.
I wonder if I can kick one.
Yeah, no, I don't think you should probably kick it. We're at a temple. It means peace.
I don't care. I want to kick pigeon. You won't.
There's my foot. There's the bird. You can even get it in this little camera screen.
I kicked it.
These birds gonna come out of nowhere, whoop your ass. Oh. Oh, they ain't be throwing food at my feet.
Yeah, you nigger birds, go ahead and try out. Yes.
They're coming after us. Look it, now you pushed us into the sunlight.
These birds know where I am, who I am.
Yep, they know you got food.
I don't know if I like that.
That's a lot of birds.
I don't know if we're supposed to use all
They're all around us. Those birds are right at my feet. All of them. No. Wrong.
One, dude.
No. Got that on camera?
Me kicking Sky Rat.
Yep, Sky Rat.
I don't know if Grandma wanted us to use all the bird food, but it's only $38, so I don't really give a shit.
It is. For all you at home, $38 is like $1.
Come on. Don't be scared.
Tristan's getting swarmed. I'm gonna back up so I can get a picture of this. Damn! Drop some at your feet!
Nigga, those things were pecking at my shoes.
Peace!